Cloud CRM is an advanced version of a customer's app that's available on Clover. Using Cloud CRM, merchants can completely modify the customer object and its fields. Merchants can also modify and create additional customer types to better fit their industry needs. In this demo, we're utilizing an app to load 10,000 customers into the list. And since the app is completely integrated with Clover customers app, all of these customers are also available on a customers app on Clover. Customer types are a feature that merchants can modify to better fit their industry needs. For example, here is what it would look like for a school or any kind of educational facility. Here is an example of what it would look like for an insurance company. And here's yet another example what the customer contact types could look like for general contractor or real estate professional. Here's a native customers app, and we're going to create a customer in the native customers app first. So here's the record that we've created, and let's go ahead and save it. CRM. And so here's that customer that now got synced to Cloud CRM, where additional fields can be created for this particular customer type. So these are all system fields which can be further modified, either turned off or made optional or required. And then these are the fields that merchant can simply add to the customer record by adding it here. So the type of records that we can create are text, numeric, date, yes or no, drop down, image, and radio selection. So let's do this real quick. And so here we are, we created expiration date field with the format of months, date, and 4-year characters. So we first add it here, and then we save, and now it becomes a field on every customer form. Done. Save. Oh, it's going to ask us to fill out the rest of the fields that are not. So validation works. There you go. And so all of these records then also become available on the web. Cloud CRM has also web functionality, which is different from the functionality that's on the terminal. It's focused more on creation of workflows and data integration with different sources.